Welcome back to Eyewitness News this morning. We're joined by Charley O'Hara here to answer your legal questions. If you've got a question, the number's right behind me, 436-1212. We do have one caller on the line right now with a question, so hey, if you're there, go ahead and ask Charley your question.
I'm sorry?
Go ahead and ask your question.
Oh, my question is, I have an employer who is refusing to pay me my money.
Well, an employer's supposed to pay people the money. If you do the work, you're supposed to get the money. So if your employer, I don't know why they would refuse to pay you. If they don't have the money or whatever. There's a couple of things you can do. There's some agencies, government agencies, actually state agencies, that control, because people are supposed to pay their employees. The other thing you can do is, if it's a contractual situation that you've got in an argument, like you're a subcontractor or something like that, you can actually sue through an attorney or put a lien on the property if you've done some work on the property. So there's a lot of things you can do. I would first call a government agency to see if I could do something. If not, I'd get a hold of a private attorney. You deserve to be paid.
Charley, there is a story we've been following today. Threats were made on social media toward the University of Missouri campus. People threatening to shoot all the black people they saw on campus today. Missouri police said they did arrest a suspect in that case, a 19-year-old who doesn't go to the University of Missouri. How important is it for people to understand what they say on social media is taken very seriously, and there are consequences for it?
Well, yeah, without a doubt. I mean, the whole world's kind of changed, actually. And now if you say something like that, even in a kidding matter, and people take it seriously, you can get yourself in criminal problems. And there are criminal problems that will haunt you for the rest of your life. And you may even have to do some kind of incarceration or jail time, depending on what happens because of it. If you make a threat, they have to have officers come out. People sometimes have to leave the school. They have to have curfews. They have to look all over. All kinds of money is spent. It's a serious thing. Just don't do anything. Don't kid about that. Don't do anything like that.
Just say it. And if you're thinking about it, write it down on a sheet of paper or something if you think it's a joke.
I wouldn't even write it down on a piece
it.
of paper. I just wouldn't say
Tear
it.
up. Just don't even say it.
In today's society, times change, and we have to change with the times. You have to be disciplined to be careful what you say.
Exactly. All right. Thanks so much, Charley.